Is your Chevy Cruze key fob not working? Don't worry, it's a common issue, often due to a dead battery or a need to be relearned. First, replace the CR2032 3-volt battery. Pry open the fob carefully and swap it out. Battery problems cause nearly half of these issues. If that doesn't work, try the relearn procedure. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Press the lock button twice, then press unlock. This syncs the fob with your car's body control module. Remember, key fob issues are on the rise. If you cannot perform this yourself, DIY reprogramming kits can be found for purchase. If a new battery and relearning don't solve the problem, the issue might be with your car's receiver. Try a BCM reset by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This can fix software glitches. If issues continue, a mechanic may be needed to diagnose the BCM or keyless entry module. Looking ahead, many Cruze owners are shifting to aftermarket smart key fobs with Bluetooth. Always check for recalls. Software updates can fix many issues. While parts availability for Cruzes may decline by 2030, future trends point toward AI-assisted diagnostics and app-based access. This could potentially make traditional fobs obsolete. Remember to check online Chevy forums for tips from other owners. A 2023 recall influenced many DIY fixes.